Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Wix site in a few minutes. Right, you type Wix, you sign in. If you do not have an account with Wix, you can sign up for a new one, or you can use your Google account or Facebook. Here it goes. You log in, create new site, select your area of interest. Now let's have a look at online store. You present it with two. This is the artificial intelligence and this is the normal editor. Let's create one in here. Go for t-shirt, edit it. Usually it's pretty faster than this. Voila. Preview it. And if you want to change now, if you want to change anything, you go back to the editor, you make your changes. You can make this site your own if you want to. If you have your own products, you can put them in there. And you publish. And once you publish, you get a URL. YouTubers. Save and continue. Here's the site. You publish it now. View the site. Voila. It took me exactly 1 minute and 33. Shop now and so on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.